It is a Wednesday with Lucy Greer, and you've got your famous fried chicken out here right now.
We do. Wednesdays at Greer's are a customer favorite and a deli not so favorite because we have our famous fried chicken on sale. So every day of the week we have a different daily deal, and Wednesdays is fried chicken. So we have an amazing price in all of our stores on fried chicken, and the stores do a wonderful job keeping it fried. I mean, people are buying it left and right. So it's a fun day for sure. And I'm making fried chicken salad. What do we say?
Chicken salad.
Fried chicken salad.
Well, it's funny too that you're making the fried chicken because a couple months ago on Studio 10, I was like, oh, who comes up with your recipe for fried chicken? And you said, I do.
Yeah.
So this is Lucy's fried chicken salad. So it is looking great. So tell us what you're all going to put in this thing.
Okay, so I'm just taking, we have 8-piece fried chicken on sale on Wednesday. So I took the 8 pieces of fried chicken, and I'm just, of course, taking the meat off of the bones, and I pretty much discard the skin. I mean, it's okay if there's a little bit of skin in here, and you can put it all in there if you want to. But of course, like, the batter kind of comes off of the skin part, so I want to, keep a lot of those little crunchy, the breading in there. And if you like the skin, put that in there too. But anyway, and also, if you didn't want to do this with the 8-piece fried chicken, on Saturdays, the deal is chicken tenders.
There you go.
So you could get chicken tenders. Our chicken tenders are really good too. None of our chicken is ever frozen in the delis. Everything comes in fresh, and we hand bread it in store, so it's really delicious.
That's so great.
Yeah.
All right, so this is looking very good. This is something you can make for yourself. The full recipe is online, the Studio 10 tab at fox10tv.com. You're doing a good job shredding away.
Thanks.
We're going to let you keep working on that, and when we come back, we're going to start to show you how to put this whole thing together. This is absolutely a recipe you're going to want to try.
Happy Wednesday. Thanks for joining us on Studio 10. Back with our good friend Lucy. I am so excited for this recipe. This is different, Lucy.
Yeah, I was telling Joe that every day of the week at our stores we have different daily deals in the deli. And on Wednesdays, which is today, is fried chicken, 8-piece fried chicken day. So all of our cash saver stores have it for only $5 for an 8-piece, and then our other market stores is only $6. And if you didn't want to do it with 8-piece fried chicken, then on Saturdays we have fried chicken tenders on sale, and then on Mondays is rotisserie day. So you have 3 days of the week you can get chicken on sale at our stores to make this chicken salad. So I was just, I love our fried chicken. It's so good, and of course you can just eat it as is, but I also love chicken salad, and I was like, oh, this would be yummy to make a chicken salad with. And you were just saying that you like savory chicken salads over like ones with fruit and stuff.
Right, and pecans. I love this chicken salad. I love a simple chicken salad recipe, and that's exactly what you're making. So if you have some leftover chicken, maybe that your family didn't eat from Greer's, this is the perfect thing to make the next day for lunch.
Absolutely. So what I already did was I took the 8-piece fried chicken, I took the meat off the bones, and I discarded most of the skin, but it's totally fine if you like to eat the skin, and there's some in here, but I just made sure to get a lot of the the little crumbly breading part, which is the best part of the fried chicken, and I just pulled it up. You could of course chop it up however you like it. People like their chicken salad a lot of different ways. Some people like it really finely chopped. A lot of people like it in bigger pieces, so whichever way you like it. And we're just going to add a few different ingredients to it. This one is mayo based, so I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of mayo in here. And then I always like to do some celery in mine. So this is just 1 stalk of celery that I just chopped up pretty fine. And then I did 2 green onions, and then I'm going to use stone ground mustard in here. So you could use, I like that, like I like to see the seeds of this grainy mustard in here, and this is just 1.5 tablespoons. And then I'm just going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and that's it in our chicken salad. And you can do the same thing just with regular rotisserie chicken or boiled chicken. It's just a little bit different, and but it goes great with the fried chicken.
So Lucy's going to mix this up. Talk about affordable and delicious at the same time. So we're going to learn more about Greer's Markets, also Cash Saver, next right here on Studio 10. And we are back with Lucy Greer finishing up this amazing recipe. It's so southern and so good. It's fried chicken salad, Lucy.
It is. We started with our fried chicken from the delis, and you can use chicken tenders, or I use 8-piece fried chicken, and I just took it off the bone and left some of that fried chicken breading in there, and then we just put in a little bit of celery and green onion, and then we put in our mayo, and I used a coarse grainy mustard, and then just a little bit of pepper. I didn't even add any salt because that fried chicken, with the breading already has the salt in there, so it's just really simple to come together. And we were talking about, what we like to eat it with. I'm kind of like a cracker person, but this would be great, any which way. And this would be fun, just, something different for like a picnic, or, anywhere that you would typically take chicken salad, just something different.
Yeah, and you were just telling me you like to keep some of this in the fridge when family comes in town, and it's just so nice to have something in the fridge for your family to snack on. And this is one of those delicious recipes. You were just telling me today is Wednesday, so this is also on sale today at most of your stores.
Yes, it is. All of our stores with delis. We have 28 stores, and we have 17 with full delis. So anywhere that has a deli, we have daily deals every day of the week, from hot food, and then on Sundays we have a wonderful variety cake that's on sale. Thursdays is King's Hawaiian Roll Day. Everyone loves King's Hawaiian rolls, so we chose something different every day that could be featured in our delis, and things that the customers already really like. So just an added bonus of coming in and shopping on different days. And don't forget Friday, because that's rib day.
Ooh.
So if you're going to a party this weekend, you can make your fried chicken salad and then go get the ribs, and then go get the chicken tenders on Saturday. So our delis are always, cooking up something really yummy.
And the food, you guys, absolutely amazing. It's perfect for lunch or dinner, and it's so easy and affordable too. That's what we were just talking about. So for folks at home who want to go visit you guys, maybe learn more about you, they can just download the app, right?
Absolutely. If anybody wants for us to shop all these ingredients for them, our app is free, and that's where you can do your curbside pickup orders. And then of course we're on Facebook and our website greers.com. So any way that you want to get in touch with us, or in store, we'd love to have everybody.
Love it. And keep in mind, they're still hiring at a few locations too, so you can still apply for that and find more information there too.
Absolutely. Thank you. GreersCareers.com. You can put in your application, and all of the we're always hiring, entry-level positions up to management positions, so we would love to talk about having everybody join our team.
That's right. All right, fried chicken salad with Lucy Greer this Wednesday. I can't wait for next Wednesday. Lucy, thanks for coming on Studio 10.
Thank you.